guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to talk about the Kylie Cosmetics, the purple palette, and this is what it looks like here. I recently got this a few weeks ago. I've used this several times and I kind of wanted to give you guys some swatches. I'm going to be doing a tutorial video with this coming out soon, so that will be out, so definitely keep an eye out. And then afterwards I'll probably do a review video, but not until I use this probably a few more times. So far I do love it, but still, I like to give it a shot a little bit longer to make sure that my feelings don't change or anything. Alright, let's do some swatches. So I have used every shade in this palette except for this shade, which is called Blueberry, even though it's really just a gray. But I'm going to start from the top here, so we're going to do Blueberry, and then this is Purple Smoke, and then this is Amethyst. And, oops. This is what the colors look like on my fingers. Let me just make sure I got enough. Very, very pretty. And then we're just going to smoke. Very pretty, let me see. That smoke shade is pretty nice. Pretty nice matte there. This shade I love. I use this in an eye look and it's super, super pretty. You can't go everything based off of swatches, but it's still nice to kind of just see color to pan. I will say, I think this Amethyst shade definitely picks up way better on the eye than in a swatch, but that's a personal choice there. Sorry, I gotta make sure I wipe off all my fingers and dry them off. Where's my towel? Then we're gonna have the shades Lilac, Wine and Dine, and Turning Violet here. So, and these are all matte shades, and they are so pretty. I love these, and I'm just gonna poop. See, it's gonna be hard to see this lilac shade on me because I am so white, but. And then there are them. These definitely pick up way better. I really love this Wine and Dine shade. I've used all, like I said, every single one of these shades except for that shade Stone. That was the only shade I have yet to use. But it's super, super pretty. Her mattes are actually pretty nice. They're like not like overly drying, but they're not too soft of a matte either. So I like them. Here we got the last three shades here in the palette. We got two shimmers and then we have a matte. We have the shades Periwinkle, oh wait, I called the wrong shades. This was Blueberry, by the way, not Stone. This is Stone, Trophy, and Periwinkle, and I really, really love these three shades here. I will say this shade is Trophy, and the shade is quite crumbly. You can see it. Not sure why. It is super, super shimmery, but it is super crumbly. It's very pigmented though, but it is just more of a crumbly type of sheer. Is that there? I like this Stone shade here because it's like a really pretty, like, I don't know, crease transition shade. I know it's kind of harder to see some of these shades on me because I am so fair, but just... Periwinkle is so pretty. I use that as like an inner corner highlight, and I used it underneath my brow bone, and I did just a little bit right there in the front, so it kind of just popped a little bit more. But I really so far am enjoying myself with this palette. I'm just going to hold this up here so you guys can kind of see. I know they're not the greatest swatches, but I'm not one of those people to like really dig in and put full force. I just want to kind of give you like real quick, real life girl swatches here, so... But yeah, these are the shades here so far. I'm pretty happy with it. Sorry, I got some eyeshadow randomly up there. But so far I'm really happy with it. I think the shades are beautiful. The only thing I will say is the shade Amethyst definitely picks up way better in the eye than in the swatch. I can definitely say that. But so far I'm loving this. Like I said, review, tutorial, all will be coming out. Definitely let me know down below what kind of look you guys would like to see, and that would be amazing. But so far, so good. And definitely will be coming out, as well as the Kylie Cosmetics concealer as well review. That will be coming out because I do have full thoughts on that. Definitely let me know down below what your thoughts are on her new weather collection. Are you going to be picking anything up or trying anything out? Let me know. I'm kind of thinking of the one more pastel-y palette. I'm on the fence about it. I am on a low buy this year, but really, honestly, I like her products enough to keep buying them, so I kind of really want to try that palette. It depends on how much money it is, though, to be honest. I like how I say palette, and I'm like, eh. But, yeah, so I'm going to see on that, and I'm also probably going to see some reviews. But thank you guys so much for watching, and when I'm filming this, by the way, this is before it's releasing, but just so you guys know. But thank you guys so much, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.